Hi, my name is Onu Abba. I'm a software engineer here at Glade. I'm going to show you how to set up payroll and pay your staff. Let's get started. So over here I have my Glade dashboard, and I can easily navigate to my business management and then staff payroll. Now on staff payroll page, I have three options: create single staff, bulk file upload, and pay existing staff. Now if you scroll down, you can see that I already have about 8 staff, so I want to add a few more. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on the button create a single staff. Here I enter his details, John Paul, enter his email, enter his phone number, and then I'm going to enter his account number. So I select Access Bank, I enter his account number, of course the account name is resolved automatically, and then I select how much I want to pay him. So let's say I pay him 500,000 Naira a month. I'm just going to enter that amount and then save staff details. And that's the end of the first step. Another thing I could do is to do a bulk upload. So let's say I have 50 staff on a file, on an Excel file. I can easily upload all of them. So clicking on this file, on this button, I can see some instructions here, and then I can download the sample file so I don't have to create one from scratch. So the next thing I'm going to do is to upload a file which I already have on my system. It says sample staff. So once I select the staff, I click on submit and create, and then that's it. So I've added 2 new staff with my Excel file. So now I have a total of 11 staff. Now this is where the real action happens: pay existing staff. Once I click on pay existing staff, I get to select which staff I want to pay. So there's a checkbox at the top where I can select all staff. So I select all my staff so that none of them is angry, and then I click on pay, continue to pay staff. Now over here on this modal, I have 3 options. The instant payday pays the staff immediately. So if I choose this option, my staffs get paid today. The second option I have is a fixed payday, where I select a day of the month where I want to run my payroll. So let's say I select the 26th of this month. So what's going to happen is that on the 26th, my staff are going to be smiling to the bank. So one last thing, I'm going to enter the narration. Let's say staff salaries. Okay, so it's as easy, it's as simple as that. So next thing I'm going to do is to hit pay selected staff, and voila, everything is done. So now on the 26th, all my staff are going to be smiling to the bank. And that's how you use the Glade payroll feature. Thank you.